This script creates a live, interactive weather map that updates automatically with real airport data. Here's how it works. The script downloads current METAR weather reports from NOAA for major airports around the world. METAR reports are the official observations that pilots and meteorologists use to know the exact weather at an airport. The data includes temperature, wind speed and direction, visibility, weather conditions like rain or snow, and precipitation details. Each airport is displayed on a map with a marker. Clicking a marker opens a pop-up that shows the weather details, as well as the raw METAR code for reference. The map updates itself every 2 minutes. Airports reporting precipitation, such as rain, snow, or storms, show up with a purple storm cloud icon. Airports without precipitation show a blue cloud icon. At the top of the script are the configurable settings. You can choose which region of the world to track, such as North America, Europe, Asia, or Africa. You can also track worldwide if you want. Other settings let you adjust the zoom level, how often the map refreshes, and the maximum runtime so it doesn't run forever. The map is saved in a folder called Weather as an HTML file. That means you can reopen it at any time in your browser, even if the script has already stopped running. To set this up, you'll need Python installed along with the library's requests. Pandas, Folium, Folium's marker cluster plugin, and the Python METAR parser. All of these can be installed with pip. This tool is useful for aviation enthusiasts, weather hobbyists, teachers, or anyone who wants a real-time view of weather conditions across airports. It can show you where it's sunny, stormy, foggy, or snowing, all in one global dashboard.